In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a task in Salesforce CRM. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a bit of a refresher, this tutorial will make the process clear and straightforward. Tasks are a powerful way to stay organized and ensure you're on top of your responsibilities. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need to open the target record where you want to create the task. This could be anything such as an opportunity or a contact. Think of this as the place where all related activities are stored, making it easy for you to track interactions and plan future engagements. Once you've opened the record, you should notice an activity panel. This is usually found on the right side of the screen. The activity panel is your go-to section for managing your interactions, so it's worth getting familiar with its layout. Next, you'll want to click on the New Task tab. This is where the magic happens. By selecting this tab, you're opening a form that allows you to input the details of the task you want to create. Remember, this is a key moment to ensure that all necessary information is captured. The more detailed you can be, the better. It helps not only you, but also your team members who might need to access this information later on. Now, it's time to fill out the quick details. This might include entering a subject for the task, setting a due date, and assigning it to the right person if you're not the one handling it directly. Be as specific as possible with the subject line to provide clarity. For instance, instead of writing follow up, you might write follow up with client about contract renewal. Adding a due date is crucial for keeping things on schedule. It's also important to assign the task to the right team member if it's not something you'll be managing personally. This ensures accountability and smooth workflow across your team. Once you've completed filling out the details, the last step is to save your task. This might seem like a simple step, but it's essential to ensure that your task is recorded and ready for action. After hitting save, the task will be associated with the record you initially opened, and it will appear in the activity panel. You can now rest easy knowing that your task is logged and visible to anyone else who might need to see it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully created a task in Salesforce CRM. Creating tasks like this not only helps you keep track of what needs to be done, but also enhances communication within your team. Remember, Salesforce CRM is a powerful tool designed to make your work life easier and more organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found it useful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Salesforce. Happy task managing!